In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the 18th century opera Handel and Mozart course on Harvard Online, enroll step by step, and earn a Harvard-certified credential once you complete it. This is an amazing opportunity if you're interested in classical music, opera history, or simply want to add a prestigious Harvard certificate to your profile. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so make sure you watch till the end. And before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard Online website. Type in https://harvardonline.harvard.edu/course in your address bar and press enter. This is Harvard University's official platform where they host online courses across a wide range of subjects. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available courses along with a search bar that makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Next, go to the search bar and type in 18th Century Opera, Handel and Mozart. As you type, the course should appear in the search results. Click on the course title to open the full course page. On this page, you'll find detailed information about the course, including what you'll learn, who the instructors are, how long the course runs, and what kind of effort is expected each week. Take a moment to scroll through and read the overview so you know exactly what the course covers. Once you're ready to move forward, look for the Enroll button on the course page and click on it. You'll then be prompted to either sign in or create an account. If you already have a Harvard Online account, simply log in using your email and password. If you're new, you'll need to fill in your basic details like your name, email address, and create a password to set up your account. After signing in, you'll be guided through the enrollment process. This is where you'll choose your enrollment option and proceed to payment if required. Carefully fill in all the necessary details, including your personal information and payment method. Make sure everything is correct before confirming your enrollment. Once the payment is successfully processed, you'll officially be enrolled in the course. From there, you'll gain access to all the course materials, including video lectures, readings, and any assignments or discussions included in the program. As you progress through the course, make sure to complete all the required modules and assessments. This is important because once you successfully finish the course according to Harvard's guidelines, you'll earn a Harvard-certified credential. This certificate can be a great addition to your resume, LinkedIn profile, or academic portfolio, especially if you're passionate about music history or opera. And that's it. You've now learned how to access the 18th Century Opera, Handel and Mozart course on Harvard Online, enroll step by step, and work toward earning a Harvard certification. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.